revolution will be live.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to part 2 of 4 for my Rolling Thunder. This ride was recorded in its entirety, as much as the camera had allowed me to do so. So for those of you who will be seeing this that's not used to new technology, if you didn't see the first installment, this is a fully functioning 3D rotational video. You can manipulate the camera as you see fit. If you have VR glasses, like video game consoles, apps on your phone, you will be able to view this in its intended integrity. So yeah, that's me giving a shout out to Arthur, one of our Night Rider group folks. But yeah, again, like I said, I wanted it to get every angle possible. And when you watch these types of videos, you'll never watch it the same way twice. You're not gonna always get the same angle, you know, so on and so forth. And that's the beauty of it being dynamic like this. So with that being said, I want you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. And one more thing, I will do a highlighted static version for those who prefer to just, you know, I'll probably take bits and pieces of like the best parts of the ride and make it a traditional video, since I'm pretty sure one or two people are gonna tell me, yeah, you know, but the difference between those former 360 videos that I did with 360 Fly and the GoPro Fusion is a better camera, you know. So I think the experience is going to be a lot more enjoyable for you guys to check out. So I'll be posting this on random areas, motovlogging, you know, my Instagram, so on and so forth. If you happen to have been on this ride and you see yourself, tag yourself, you know, share it. You know, it's for everybody to check out. So enjoy the rest of the video. ZX Predator back. And if you're still, enjoying the ride along, just a friendly reminder: if you are wondering why the camera angle is at one fixed angle, is because you control it. Again, I hate that I have to keep throwing these injects in here, but yeah, it's a 3D video. You manipulate the camera, you make the experience yours. So remember, tilt the screen, take your finger, tap and scroll, and you'll get to see different riders that were within 1,000 meters of me. So yeah, just a reminder. Back to the show. Predator back again, and this rider in the front, if you tilt the camera forward, he had a jacket, military jacket, that I actually been looking for a while. Looked pretty cool. I think he was riding a M109 Boulevard, but yeah, I had to point that out. Yeah, that was pretty cool. But yeah, revving to the folks to my right, your left. And it was pretty cool. Now, I jumped in just to let you know there is actually a part in the ride that was pretty cool. Like, we got to have a little fun, responsibly. But yeah, I think there's nothing like riding. I tell you, folks, if you get to come to Rolling Thunder with us one year and you're in the tri-state area, do it. It's for a good cause, and you know, you find a lot of like-minded people. You know, but it was really cool, really organized. Yeah, red bombing, baby. So yeah, just wanted to point that out. You'll see that in the last segment. It should start at the 13-minute mark. But yeah, always a good time. Always a good time. Alright, folks, so we're hitting the home stretch of part 2. This is where, you know, we have a little fun, but as we transition, there was the one person that was able to give a high five to. He's coming up right now. Pow! Cool cat. But like I was saying, you know, we get to the bridge and it was a little fun. So, oh yeah, they were trying to match a little bit of speed, but unless it's a newer leader bike, it's not happening. But enjoy the rest of it. Make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for part 4. And that's all she wrote, folks.